Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna play Find the Markers. I'm gonna show you the two new markers, which is where's it? Sandstorm marker and the flan marker. So here we go. By the way, I'm gonna have to do this with this bug. So bear with me guys, bear with me on doing this. Bad day. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am finally. Alright. And this
LOL.
is right there.
LOL.
As you
LOL.
can see. Let me just reset. Hopefully not. Okay, I'm gonna leave and I'm just gonna cut this clip. Alright guys, we're back. Just ignore that music played out there. I thought I just still heard the music. The next one is flan marker. As you see, it's pretty obvious to know that it's the right there. But you think you have to jump that? No, it will give you ratio boost.
LOL.
This why I'm so bad at mobile. So in order to do it, you must go to where also the mint marker is. So I'm just gonna show you where also the mint marker is. If you all don't know, just right by here. The flan marker is when you see this, you jump on that and go through this. You can actually see, look at the obby. You have to jump at that time. So yeah, I think it's best for you to spam jump. Okay, so jump here, then jump right there. Frick!
LOL.
It moved me being like Okay, I might cut it at the point where I'll get to it. Okay, so we're at the obby now. Here, you don't do a jump like that. No, there's a roof there. So you want to do like a side jump. I jumped too early. Anyways, that's it. And that's the whole obby. I'm not sure if I will show you all that. But if you want... But I will cut it. This clip if you want to know how to pass the obby.
LOL. LOL.
Oh no, my shift's off. Alright guys, I just had to record a new video and I'll put this in my edit because the other one I had my music on. Sorry. So I had to remove that clip. So in this part, you want to be at the very edge and just jump at that.
LOL.
Right, we're back again. Alright, say be on the edge and jump at that. Go there and then you'll just jump there and there. That's all. Goodbye.